Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David A. Qua and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a brand new visitor to my YouTube channel and have no idea what my videos are all about, I love to talk about things I'm passionate about. Movies, comic books, video games, food. I do hauls, reviews, unboxings. If that's the type of thing you're into, you may want to check out my other content. If you like what you see, do subscribe. Today we're going to try another food item. Back in May 2017, I went on a cruise with my family to Cozumel, Mexico, and we actually went to the ancient city of Tulum, and we went to the beach and stuff like that also. Well, to give us a free snack, I actually brought it home back to the States here. We're going to try it out, alright? So it's called the Mini Mamut. Can I focus? Galletas con cobertura, sabor a chocolate, y malvavisco. Okay, there's their website, mamut.com. It's from Gamesa. Okay, you can get this little guy for only $1. So, what's in this? I see the word for milk, gluten. A lot of these words I can't, I don't recognize. I took Spanish for like 3 years back in high school, but that's back in high school, you know? That's like, what, almost 20 years now. So I'm going to give this a try, see if it's any good. It's got a little elephant, a little chocolate elephant or whatever in the front right there, right? 12 grams. Let's give it a try, alright? Here, we'll, where should we set the TV? Not the TV, the camera. So I'm just gonna open this up. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh man, I bet it used to look a lot better than this. I smashed it in my suitcase. Look, it's falling apart. Okay, I see chocolate. What is that? Peanut butter? Caramel? Let's give it a try. Mmm. This is pretty good. Mmm. Milk chocolate, and it's got a wafer or something like that. There's a crunch to it. You know what it reminds me of? Those Girl Scout cookies, especially those mint ones, but without the mint. Oh man. Is there coconut? Like I feel like there is coconut in it, but I'm not quite sure. It's good though. Fructose. Leche means milk. Caramel. Soy. Anyway, it's good. If I see it at, there's a bunch of, I'll be moving to Texas soon. Or maybe I've already moved there, depending on when I'm watching this video. Golly, I gotta quit biting my nails. So, there's a bunch of, Mexican stores and stuff like that, in Texas, you know? Like a whole district and such like that. I may actually find these there. That would be nice. That'd be nice, you know. I like to have more of these. They're good. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Talk guys later. Bye.